Hello students, welcome to my class today. Uh, I hope you are all fine and let us see, I am going to discuss one of the important properties of the inverse geometry functions in front of you. Here is there are three properties I am going to discuss. Okay, number one, sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is pi upon 2 where for all x belongs to minus 1 1, right? Okay, and second property is that tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 where for all x belongs to the set of real number. Okay, and sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is pi by 2 for all x belongs to this interval minus infinitive to minus 1 union 1 infinitive. Okay, so let us see. First property is that now sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi upon 2. How to prove this one? So let prove this one. Okay, let sine inverse of x is equal to theta. So that implies, here sine inverse of x is theta. Here where is theta? Where theta belongs to the principal reference values of sine inverse function is minus pi by 2 closed interval, right? So theta belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2. That implies minus pi by 2 is less than equal to theta is less than equal to pi by 2. It means theta will lie between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 and also minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. So that implies. So now you change the inequation. Okay. As you know, all of you, the 2, suppose you say 4, 2 is less than 3 is less than 4. Is it clear? 2 is less than equal to 3 is less than equal to 4. Okay. 2 is less than 3 is less than 4. That implies I can write the 4 is greater than 3 is greater than 2. Similar process I will write. Let us write. If pi by 2, just I am reversing order. This will be greater than equal to theta and it will be greater than equal to and this minus pi by 2. Inequality change in the reverse order if I will write. Then, okay. Again if I will write, if you put negative sign of the inequation, plus 4, it is plus 4. If I will make minus 4, this greater than will be less than, this will be minus 3, less than, this is minus 2. Similar process, so multiply minus 1 on the given inequation. This is minus pi by 2, plus pi by 2 will be minus pi by 2. Okay, make it negative and this greater than equal to will be less than. Okay, and this plus theta will be minus theta. If the one of the sign on the any side of the inequation will change, then what will happen? Inequation will also change and all the terms will change their sign. Similarly, e less than equal to pi by 2. This plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is here, so it will be plus pi by 2. Okay, that implies pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than equal to pi by 2 minus theta is less than pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Here pi by 2 has been added on in the given inequation. Okay. Let us see. So you see now, look at here. This pi by 2 minus pi by 2. The value will be 0. Less than equal to pi by 2 minus theta and less than equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. So here that implies pi by 2 minus theta. If sine inverse of x is equal to theta, where theta lies between the closed interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Then pi by 2 minus theta must lie belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Okay. So now sine inverse of x is equal to cos is equal to theta. You have written already. The sine inverse of x is equal to theta taken. So that implies, so x is equal to sine theta. That implies x is equal to sine inverse. Okay, the sine theta can be written the cos pi by 2 minus theta. That implies the cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So that implies cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus, in place of theta I have written, I can write sine inverse of x. So sine inverse of x. So that implies sine inverse of x in sine minus sine inverse x will be transferred to the left hand side. It will be plus sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, is it clear? Okay, note down all of you. Okay, selecting it. Okay. Okay, let us come to the second properties. Okay. So now, what is the second properties? Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2, pi upon 2. Okay, understand? And the domain of the function x belongs to R, set of real number. And what is let? Similar process, let tan inverse of x is equal to theta, where theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the principal Franz values. Theta will lies in this interval, open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, that implies the minus pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi by 2. That implies pi by 2 is greater than theta. I change the equation, is greater than minus pi by 2. Okay, the equation has been reversed. So again you put the minus sign, this plus pi by 2 will be minus pi by 2, then greater than will be less than, and plus theta will be minus theta, then this will be change this in equation, this minus pi by 2 will be plus pi by 2, plus pi by 2 means pi by 2. Okay, then you add pi by 2 on both sides, minus pi by 2 less than pi by 2 minus theta less than pi by 2 plus pi by 2. ठीक है जी? Is it clear? So that implies, you see now pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is 0. So 0 is less than pi by 2 minus theta is less than pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. That implies pi by 2 minus theta belongs to open interval 0 to pi, which is a, so this theta lies in the, this is the principal branch values of the cot inverse of x. Now let us write tan inverse of x is equal to theta. That implies x is equal to tan theta, which is equal to cot pi by 2 minus theta, and pi by 2 minus theta lies between 0 to pi. So that implies this cot again transpose, it will be cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus, student let us listen, We have taken theta. In place of theta, I can write tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of x, let us write down. Now, you see, this minus tan of inverse of x is transposed. It will be plus tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi upon root. So second point is proved. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Understand? Okay. Note down. Similarly, we have to prove third point. Okay. Third point we have to prove. Okay. Shall I read it? Okay. Third point you write. Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is also equal to pi by 2. Similarly, let sec inverse of x is equal to theta, where theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi, where not pi by 2. Theta cannot be pi by 2. All of you know? It means 0 is less than equal to theta is less than equal to pi. That implies pi is greater than equal to theta is greater than equal to 0. Right? Then you do minus pi greater than equal to minus theta is less than equal to 0. Make it negative. And this inequation will change. Sorry. This it will be inequation will change. Right? If plus pi will be minus pi. This less than greater than equal to less than equal to, and plus theta will be minus theta, and this greater than equal to less than equal to. That implies put pi by 2 minus pi is less than equal to, then pi by 2 minus theta, put pi by 2 on both sides, is less than equal to pi by 2 plus 0. Okay. So if you take pi by 2 minus pi, it will be pi minus 2 pi, and minus pi by 2 is less than equal to pi by 2 minus theta is less than equal to pi by 2. That implies, here you see pi by 2 minus theta belongs to the closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, where it cannot be, theta cannot be 0. Theta cannot be 0 for cosec inverse of x, which is the principal branch values for the cosec inverse of x. So now you see sec inverse of x is equal to theta. That implies x is equal to sec theta. That implies so x is equal to sec theta means what? Cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Clear? So that implies cosec inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus, in place of theta I can write, in place of theta I can write sec inverse of x. So sec inverse of x. So that implies if it is transpose similar process, so my sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to pi upon 2. Thus we get the third properties, that sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is pi upon 2. Okay, and all of you understood? I hope you will you practice this one, and it has many application in solving the problem. Also, you have to face the problem. Okay, and you can use these properties in solving any trigonometric inverse function. With this, thank you and say